All right, I've got my bell peppers added to my crumbled cornbread here, along with some diced onion. Now I've got 2 cans of whole kernel corn, and I'm just gonna stick that right in the front here. Perfect. And 2 cans of Rotel, which I did drain the juice from very well. We don't really need any extra moisture in this, y'all. This is gonna be a delicious, Southern inspired dish. Now you can't have a Southern delicacy without some seafood. So I've got my cooked shrimp here, and I am just gonna come in and cut these into smaller pieces. We just wanna get these kind of up as small as we can, and you're gonna see why just a little later on. Now these are peeled and deveined and pre-cooked, like I said. I wouldn't wanna put raw shrimp into this dish, but I totally understand why you might be curious why they're already cooked, and you're gonna see why in just a second here. All right, perfect. Now I'm just gonna come in with my Zatarain's andouille sausage and do the same thing. Perfect. All right. We've got all of our beautiful bell peppers, Rotel corn, sausage, and shrimp, onions, our cornbread underneath. Time to come in with my Tony's Carol seasoning. And Marty was saying, last time we used this, it gets quite salty, so we're not gonna do too much. He was giving me the signal, stop, stop. Now I've got 4 eggs here and my little egg beater. And we are going to beat those eggies. Beat those eggies. Marty, someone said in the comments of one of my videos that I cannot sing.
Oh my gosh, they're crazy.
They're crazy. All right, here we go. Drizzling those eggies right on top. All right, we've got to get this all incorporated and mixed well. Look at those beautiful bell pepper colors. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is gorgeous. It smells amazing. Woo! I probably would have put 6 eggs in here if I had them, but I only had 4 eggs left after I made my cornbread. Y'all, but this is gonna be so tasty. Oh my gosh. We're using all the Southern ingredients. We got our cornbread. We've got our andouille sausage. We've got our shrimp. Marty always says it like that. Shrimp. Are you gonna say it?
No.
Oh.
Shrimp.
With the little whistle at the end. I wish I could do that, but I can't. I've tried a lot. Our bell peppers, corn, everything. Oh, okay, guys. Actually, I think this is gonna be perfect, Marty. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab a bit. I'm gonna form it to a ball. Just like that. I'm gonna come over here to my muffin tin, and I've got my muffin holes lined with my liners. And we're just gonna go ahead and form all of this into balls. Alrighty, y'all, our Cajun balls are formed. I am just gonna pop these into my oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, our Creole Cajun cornbread muffins are ready. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to dig into these, y'all. We've got our andouille sausage, our shrimp, our Cajun seasoning, our cornbread. That just looks so good. Now you can make a remoulade to go with this if you want, or just some butter to drip it in, but I'm just gonna do it just like this. With those fresh vegetables and the corn, y'all, this is delicious. I'm gonna change my name to Elaine's Cajun Kitchen. You gotta try it.